Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two robot vacuum cleaners, the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max and the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. First up, let's talk about the price. The eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max is priced at $249, while the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner comes in at $199. It's clear that the Lefant offers a more affordable option for those on a budget. When it comes to design and features, both products have their unique qualities. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max boasts a super slim design, measuring only 2.85 inches in height. It operates quietly while delivering incredible suction power for deep cleaning. It also comes with features like BoostIQ technology, which automatically increases suction power when needed. On the other hand, the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers a small body design, allowing it to easily clean under furniture and cover a larger area. It has a unique brushless suction port that ensures pet hair and dirt go into the dustbin easily, without entangling the brushes. The Lefant also offers 6 different cleaning modes, including Auto Clean, Spot Clean, Edge Clean, Zigzag Clean, Scheduled Clean, and Manual Clean. In terms of smart features, both products have their strengths. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max comes equipped with anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, infrared sensors for evading obstacles, and drop sensing technology to avoid falls. It also has a remote control for convenient operation. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner takes it a step further with its smart app and voice control capabilities. You can schedule cleaning sessions, adjust suction and direction, and even check the cleaning area through the Lefant app. It also supports voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant for a truly hands-free experience. Now let's talk about battery life. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max can vacuum for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors with consistent, powerful suction. It also automatically recharges, ensuring it's always ready to clean. Meanwhile, the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner utilizes lithium iron phosphate batteries, which provide a runtime of up to 120 minutes in low suction mode. This longer battery life can be advantageous for larger homes or more extensive cleaning sessions. Based on online reviews, the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max is praised for its higher suction power, slim design, and effective cleaning. Reviewers mention that it performs well on low-pile carpet and is recommended for routine cleaning. However, there are some limitations such as difficulty in manual operation and slow return to the charging base when the battery is low. On the other hand, the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner is praised for its affordability, convenience, and effectiveness. Reviewers mention that it works well for their needs and offers a good value for the price. Some reviewers have experienced issues with the companion app and customer service, but overall, it is considered a reliable option. And that wraps up our comparison between the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max and the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Both products have their unique features and advantages. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max offers incredible suction power and a slim design, while the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner provides affordability and a wide range of cleaning modes. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.